How to make money with CJ dropshipping tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with CJ dropshipping. So let's get into it. Now, what is dropshipping? What is CJ dropshipping? And how do you get started? Well, CJ dropshipping is a platform that enables you to source product and sell them onto your own website for free. And then you don't have to handle any of the shipping costs. You don't have to handle any of the inventory. All you have to do is basically sell these products, and then you're just going to be listing these already pre-existing products onto your website. And whenever someone places a order with you, this will be directly redirected to the supplier, and then the supplier will ship the item to your customer, and you will just be serving as a middleman. You can also do things like customize packaging and customize some products as well if you want. But to get started, one of the basic ways of dropshipping is just to sell some standard products onto your own website, and then you will just be making commission every time someone purchases a product. Now, this is a great way to start your own business without having to worry about shipment costs or without having to deal with inventory and without having to deal with storage. You're basically getting product and you're basically making money out of nothing. So to get started, all you have to do is click on register on the top right over here, and then you're just going to sign up on CJ Dropshipping. So we're just going to enter our email over here, and then we're just going to click on our password. So I'm just going to enter our password, confirm our password like so. And now I'm going to click on over here. And now after that, you're just going to click on over here and enter all of your personal information, or at the bottom you can see you can finish your sign up process or create your account using Google, Apple, Shopify, or Facebook. So I'm just gonna simplify this process and I'll continue with my Google account. This enables you to save a lot of time when you're signing up. Now, once you have done that, you can see on your top right, you have your account logged in. You have your profile, wallet, tool, and account. Then you have your support center as well. Then if you take a look at the center top, you have your My CJ. So over here, you can actually track all of the stuff that you have, and this will open up your CJ dropshipping platform from where you will be managing your accounts and orders and all of that information. So first off, I am going to close this bot over here. So you can see this is the My CJ. Now after that, you can see this is what the platform you're going to be using to manage your dropshipping business. Now let's say you take one of these products. This is just an example. This plush toy over here, you can click on connect over here first to connect your store. So you're going to click on add store over here, and then you can connect your Shopify store to your CJ dropshipping website. Now once you do that, instead of having to use Shopify to manage your business, you're going to be primarily using CJ dropshipping. So you're just going to connect your Shopify store, and you just have to click on add store and then connect your Shopify store. You will have to verify with your Shopify account that this is you, and then you can get started with your journey. Now, how does CJ dropshipping work, and how do you actually make money with CJ dropshipping? Now, everyone knows about dropshipping. You can find really cheap products from AliExpress or Alibaba, but what are some of the features that will differentiate dropshipping and dropshipping on CJ dropshipping's platform? Well, first off, there are low prices and low shipping times. So if you take a look at any of the products over here, and let's say we take a look at any of the clothing or apparel products. So we're going to open up some clothing products over here, open up some of these products. So this is like a t-shirt. And if I open up this product in CJ dropshipping, I'm going to browse what the price of this product is and then what it is going to be shipped from. So this is going to be shipped from the China warehouse and then shipping to the United States, and then you're going to have your estimated delivery time. So you can see the estimated delivery time is 10 to 18 days. And if you were to order a similar or this product off of AliExpress or Alibaba, it is likely that you would probably not be able to get this kind of shipping time. This is a platform that enables you to get your products to your customers as quick as possible. So what you're going to do is you can just click on add to queue. So this will be added to your list, and then you can also click on list to add the product directly to your store, and then you can just click on list it now, and then you're your store, and this will be directly added to your store. Most certainly, for most products, I recommend just add some of the products that you like onto your queue, and then later on choose whether or not you want to still add them to your store. If they match your collections, you can launch certain collections at certain times by adding specific products at a specific time. If we go back onto our platform over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go on to, if you want to do like a quick price comparison, you can open up some of the t-shirts over here. One of the basic ways to make money with CJ Dropshipping is to make sure that you're getting a lower delivery time. So this has a slightly higher delivery time, which is 15 to 25 days, which is pretty high, but you can see it is at $4. Now, what I like to do to make sure that I'm going to be getting the best deal is I like to go on to aliexpress.com, and then I'm going to add printed t-shirt. So I'm just going to search for printed t-shirt, and now you can see I'm probably getting a better price on CJ Dropshipping. I'm going to search again. So you can see I'm getting a better price on CJ Dropshipping for a lot of these designs as if I was to buy it on AliExpress. So this is like $14, $11. Obviously there are t-shirts that are selling for $2, $4. I am getting a pretty decent price on CJ Dropshipping. So this is like a product that I would recommend that you add to your store. This product also is something I would recommend. So one of the basic ways to make money is to make sure that your products are not too overpriced. Sometimes I do find that the lower shipping time is going to be worth it. It's fine to pay a couple of extra dollars from your end to make sure that your customers are getting a low shipping time. But for CJ Dropshipping, I've noticed that even with the lower shipping times, the price is not extra high, and it's just a better customer experience for your customers. Now, other than this, other than low prices and low shipping times, there is also another thing called print on demand that you can do on CJ Dropshipping. So we're just going to click on print on demand, and then this basically is that whenever a product is ordered, you can just upload your own custom designs, and then people can print their own designs onto this kind of product, and you can easily link these to your product, and whatever text people write or whatever kind of lettering they want, they can add this to these products. So these are very customizable products, and these kinds of products really give your customers a very nice experience. They feel like it is a super professional store, and gives a super premium experience to your customers as well. Other than a basic kind of drop shipping store, you're going to feel like an actual brand, and you can really build a brand identity with this kind of method. So other than this, on CJ Dropshipping, you can see on your top right, you have all of your tools. So if we go on to My CJ, you have your My CJ, you have all of your orders that you can manage. You have your imported orders, order fulfillment, disputes, and undelivered orders. Then you also have your cart where you will be adding your product. Then you also have your basic product. So if we go on to the product section from here, you can see your product queues. You're going to be able to see all of your product queues, your listed products, your SKU list, your service products as well. And then you also have print on demand section and store authentication. You have to authenticate that is your store that you have linked onto your CJ Dropshipping account before you can get started. Other than that, it's a very simple and easy to navigate platform. And you can click on sourcing over here to see what are the sourcing requests that you've added. All of your sourcing requests will be added over here. And let's say if you're looking for a individual product of a specific type, you can just make that sourcing request, and then sellers can look at those sourcing requests and then be like, hey, I have a similar product, or I have the product that you're looking for, and I can drop ship it for you, or I can add that to your store. And then this will be another great method for you to find products without even having to look for them, and have sellers reach out to you instead of doing it the other way around. So that is how simple and easy it is to make money with CJ Dropshipping. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.